Welcome back to my channel. I am Cindy Michelle and look what we got today. An unboxing. I love doing these. Let's just see how many we have. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. I've either missed one off my list or I have an extra one. So who knows? Okay, so this is from diamondpaintingdeals.com. They are free, just pay for shipping. Now, I paid £38.28, the equivalent of $49. But they're all free, just pay shipping. So I wanted to try it out for the quality and everything else. So I'll pop these to one side. Let's take this big one first. And then we will go through them. I hope you are all well. It has been extremely hot here in my part of town. Ooh, that's rounds in the good packaging. Ooh, look at that wax. And a 4-placer, baggies. Yep. Look at that. Now I'll be honest, it looks much better from your view than it does mine. However, oh, and DMC coded, bonus. Always a bonus. 25 colours. The plastic is like huge over. It was sticky, it wasn't stuck down there. That's why I checked it. Yes, it looks much better from your point of view than it does mine, I'll be honest. Drill field is nice and clear. This is what she's meant to look like. DMC coded. I don't see any trip me ups. I changed this anyway, so I shouldn't worry. The plastic is all, yeah, I'm going to change it anyway, so I'm not worried. I put parchment paper on there. It is all sticky. But yeah, what do you reckon, guys? She looks much better in the camera, I'll be honest. I think all I can see is her face, not even her face. It's not even defined. I can't see all the red markings that you can. But we will see. We will see what she looks like when she is done. Let me just quickly show you these because I want to explain what I mean by good packaging. Let's pick a bright colour to show you. I find that when they have the diamond crisscross on them, the drills are really good. You can see they're not oily. Yeah, they look really good. I won't go through them all because they're all loose packets. But I'm happy with that. And we have the CH1089, CH1089. So we know that this one goes with this one. Awesome. Let's get the next one. Oh, guys. Well, it looks like the standard kits. That's a 4. Big plate of wax, baggies. Looks like that's standard for this company. Oh, the good drills yet again. Very happy. However, look at this. Don't think you can see it. It's all. There's so much plastic on here. There's barely any overhang. Great. But the plastic on this, you guys. Look at that. Can you see how much overhang that is? Oh, I didn't measure her. Oh, I'll bring her back and measure her. Because they are meant to be 30 by 40 and I want to check for this company if it is 30 by 40 or got a bit of a river in that one. No, it will go flat. They just need an ironing. 30 by 40, let's see. 24 by 33.5. Can you see her? Yeah, again, looks much better in the camera. She should turn out okay. DMC coded. Just quickly show you the drill field. I think she'll be okay. I am going to change all of it. Look at this. This is all extra. I'm impressed because they've got the DMC codes, the good beads with the diamond crisscross pattern, the overhang on the glue is not that much. It's just all this plastic. You don't need so much of it. Let's pop her to one side. Oh, let me just quickly bring her back to measure her. So we're at 33.5 3.5 by 24. What do we have? Oh, this one's not DMC coded. So, a bit inconsistent there. Good drills. Happy with that. And not so much plastic. It's been listening to me. Drill field on this one is amazing. Might take this one on holiday to do. I'm still going to change it. I'm just trying to flatten it out for you guys to see. There we go. Again, don't really see a clock here on the drill field. I don't see it. Big bird tree, umbrella. Yeah. It looks much better in the camera, to be honest. But look at that drill field. Is that blurry symbols? I think it might get confusing. Lots of 1s and 9s. Yeah, I think this will be okay. Looks a lot clearer to you than it does me. We've got that one, got that one. I think it's that one. Yeah, so shall we measure? Oh, okay, so now we have just the pen, no multi-placer, boat, no baggies, and a tiny bit of wax, and it's the see-through wax. So that's going to be rubbish. Wax. Oh, you've let me down now. 34. 24. Yeah, you've let me down now. And then they've changed the beads into these bags. There's some gorgeous colours. So they've changed the packaging. Not DMC coded. A lot less plastic. But to me that looks really... I can't see the defined... You can see the lady with the hair. I don't see that. I don't see the clock. Kind of a building here. Yeah. Hopefully they'll turn out as you're seeing them. Let's try this. I bet this is back to the first standard. Yep, DMC coded. Canvas, plastic's all bent in. Tons of plastic. Baggies, 4-placer, huge wax. Good diamonds. See the crisscross pattern? Usually they're good diamonds. Individual bags. And a huge amount of plastic. Don't usually go for this kind of thing. Look at that. You're lucky that's still sticky because the plastic won't stick to that. It's bent in. But that'd be a nice bright one to work on. I will be changing it to baking paper or parchment paper. Say it with me now. Not wax paper. Yeah, been watching long enough now to know. It's going to cause problems if you don't. But that looks okay. I have to change that. Let's do my heading. Looks pretty good. I like that one. And another flower. Again, a ton of plastic. Wow, 30 colours. Canvas feels a bit thin and weak. That's how I really noticed it on those ones. It's a bit thicker on the other ones. I'm not sure I'm liking how they come. That's a cute little daisy, in pink no less. 30 by 30, do you reckon, guys? Of course not. It's 24 by under 24. Yeah. Just shy of 24, both sides. But it is DMC coded. Awesome. 4-placer, big plate of wax, baggies, both. Good diamonds. Has the diamond cross pattern on there. This one is not DMC coded. And it's fraying, look at that. Small plate of wax. Standard pen, boat, no baggies. Not that I'm a fan of the baggies anyway, but good beads. I'll give it to them, they've got good beads. Not DMC coded. Try it that way. Dun dun dun. Little bit rude, guys, little bit rude. So we've got 1 to 9, A, C, D, E, F. It's really quite dark. Sorry. Quite a dark drill field. But it's Halloween, it's going to be dark. And there she is up there. So it is just the plastic on here that's making it look worse. Sorry, I'm wobbling you guys. A load of plastic on the sides. Yeah, I think she'll be good. It's got to be done for Halloween. Yeah, so this is all from, this is going to be a good one again, DMC coded. Took quite a while to get to me, I think 3 weeks. Okay. So again, we have the 4-placer, big plate of wax, boat baggies. Good diamonds, individual packets, I mean. This looks awful. Much more defined for you. But do you see what this is meant to be? Yeah, see, you can. See, it's an eagle here. What this bit is, who knows? This looks absolutely shocking to me. It looks like a blur of colours, and I'm pretty sure, oh no, it is 35 pounds. Which we know it isn't, so we don't need to measure it. Oh, it's warm, you guys, it's warm. See, that's my view. Just looks like a slurry of colour. But it is DMC coded. She looks really defined when you come away. Look, you can see the piece in her hair, her pink hair, her face, and the eagle. Doesn't look like that when I'm looking at it. So, that is my diamondpaintingdeals.com. Unbagging. I am going to have to change these. I like this one. I like this one. Ooh. And I like this one. This is not going to come out right. I'm not convinced this one will come out as well as you're seeing it. This one I'm not convinced about either, because on camera they look amazing. And the lady. Now, as I said, I paid £38.28 because they were free, just pay shipping. I'm not convinced by the free, in case you hadn't guessed. But overall, I think most of them, I think two. Let's just check. One, right, it's that one, that one. Yeah, two are not DMC coded and have, well, they all have a ton of extra plastic. I mean, how much plastic do we need extra? And that's both sides. I wonder, see if I can take it off. I know it's not a big deal, you guys, but remember to always put it down the side you got it up, otherwise you will not be happy. Even though I've put it on. There we go. I'm just trying to show you. Yeah, it's not even straight anyway. But even though I've put all that on wrong, or lumpy, look at all that extra. Let's see if I can move these. No, it's not really going to show. Okay, so I've got all this extra. My whole hand. And my whole hand this side. So, there you go. Another little unboxing for you. I'm on the fence about them at the moment, I'll be honest. The canvas looks clear. Some of them are a little bit rivered. It's clear, it's DMC coded, apart from two. Good drills. You get multi-places, always a bonus. But yeah, I think I'm happy overall because they were free. Just pay shipping. But that's from diamondpaintingdeals.com. I will put, I don't know if I'm going to be able to find them. I'll have a look and see if I can link each one in the description box, which is over here somewhere. The little grey arrow. So I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing from diamondpaintingdeals.com. Leave me a comment, let me know which one's your favourite, or if you want to ask anything, feel free, and I will see you in my next video. But for now, love, hugs and sparkles to you all. Bye!